is up, everyone? Today, this is Rhett Robinson here, coming to you live from the Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum, and today is my birthday. And for my birthday trip, we are coming here to the Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum. I love this place. As you can see, there are a lot of different engines and cars. And as you can see, the sun is shining there. We can see 3170, the caboose. The display car is still under construction. And the Southern commission car. And also the Tennessee Valley 857. And this is one of my favorite places to go whenever I am in the Chattanooga area. Listen, I think I hear a train coming now. Bust my buffers! It's a Norfolk Southern grain train. Looks pretty cool, huh? This is Rhett Robinson here, coming to you live from, I should have guessed it, Southern number 630 is going to be on the Missionary Ridge Local today. My favorite steam engine here at TVRM. And this is the Grand Junction station. I am so happy to be here on my birthday. As you can see, we have a lot of different areas here, including an expanded gift shop. There's the Texas and some pictures. The deli. And as you can see, here is where you eat lunch in the Depot Deli. There's 610. And here's all of the events that is happening here at TVRM. Just wanted to give a quick shout out to my friend Jason Fields, aka the Nooga Rail fan, who has supported my channel. We're here at the Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum's Grand Junction Station. This is the gift shop. This is where you can buy all kinds of merchandise from the Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum. Like books, toys, shirts.
Thank you. You guys enjoy that day.
Hello
there. How are you today?
Good, how are you?
I love that shirt.
Thanks.
I bought that shirt in that same color.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yes, this is Rhett Robinson here, coming to you live from the Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum's Grand Junction Station. And here's another. Yes. Today, March, and I just wanted to let you know that today, March 24th, 2019, is my birthday, as I said before. And this is an auxiliary room, where we have the rail cam. Want to look there. And just a little tour. And there's my dad and my brother Ryan. And we're back outside on the outside of Grand Junction. And there goes the freight train. And this is the ticket office. where you purchase your ticket. Just wanted to make a quick little video of the Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum being one of my favorite places. I filmed my Day Out with Thomas videos here. And here's a better view of the outside of Grand Junction. It is now 9:57, and the first train should be coming here in about a few minutes. There's where you can wait for your train. Some speakers. Another view of the gift shop from the outside. Calendars. Some and here's a little ramp for someone who doesn't know how to walk, or someone with walking disabilities to go on the ramp. I usually like to go there and race 6:30 when it comes in. And over here we have just a little bit of history for you guys. This museum was founded in 1961 by Paul H. Meerman and a group of guys who were unconcerned with the passing of the steam engines. Just wanted to take a little quick look at the exhibit yard and all the cars and engines that TVRM has. And this is where you cross the tracks. And it is a really, really neat little... And if you want to pause this video and read this, you can. And we are now inside the exhibit yard, home to some of TVRM's greatest trains. And here we can see some of them. It's a little early in the morning, like the Atlantic Coastline, the Greenville, available for birthday parties, and of course the Canadian Pacific 5288, which to me, it kind of reminds me of another Canadian Pacific 462, number 2317, now undergoing a rebuild at Steamtown, and it's become one of my favorite engines to ever roam the rails. As you can see, this is a 462 Pacific type engine, which means it has 2 pilot wheels up front, 6 big drivers in the middle, and 2 wheels in the back. So he is a 462. Now these are some older pieces of equipment that TVRM no longer uses. And if you want to pause this, you can. Let me read it for you. Number 5288. This locomotive was built by the Montreal Locomotive Works in 1919 for the Canadian National Railroad. It's known as a Pacific locomotive, having a 462 wheel arrangement. 4 small guide wheels in front, 6 large driving wheels under the locomotive cab, and 2 small trailing wheels under the locomotive cab. The very large driving wheels betrayed this locomotive as a high-speed passenger engine. Freight locomotives had smaller wheels, which gave them more pulling power for the long freight trains, while passenger engines had large wheels, which gave them less pulling power for those shorter passenger trains with higher speeds. This is a unique locomotive. And you wonder why these please do not climb on the equipment? It's for safety reasons. And we might even see one of my friends working today. I gotta know some of them. Gonna go up in this little caboose. Check it out in there. 8669. And the 3170. Pretty nice. I don't know if TVRM uses 3170 or not, but if he does, please leave them in the comments section below. Another glimpse of the display car, still under construction. And you should always watch your step whenever you are getting off a train. It's just, I think I'm running out of time. Just gonna do a little quick video about the Tennessee Valley Rail Museum. And I will upload another video when I have more time. I think I'm only limited to 15 minutes. Yes, this is Rhett Robinson here, coming to you live from the Tennessee Valley Rail Museum on my birthday. Just, it's a beautiful day here at TVRM. And here we can see some of my and it's a beautiful day here, as you can see. Little clouds in the sky. And as you can see, we have the Grand Trunk Western number 899. So you wonder why the E-Nile isn't here, because it's getting under construction. And here's another Southern 829, also seen in the Day Out with Thomas events. Alright. Wait, what's that I hear? Do I hear 6:30? Probably not. Just gonna go up here and check it out. This is Rhett Robinson here. Yes, as you can see, this is another display yard. And up ahead, we can see one of my favorite diesel locomotives here at TVRM, besides 1829. Former Nashville, Chattanooga, and St. Louis number 710. You saw him in one of my other videos. If you have been here to this, I know some of my subscribers have. Pretty nice. Just gonna walk and then we'll end. Then we'll end this video. And as always, please continue to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos just like this. And if you wanted to see more videos, please check out my YouTube channel. And if you have questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the comments section below. And I guess it's time for me to end. Please subscribe and click the notification bell where you can get all of my latest videos. So, this is Rhett Robinson signing off. Peace out.